Hey, what's up everyone? I'm here at the airport getting ready to fly home to Bali. But before I go, I want to share a few tips for anyone heading to Bali soon. Okay, so first, please take a little time to learn about our culture. Bali is beautiful, but it's also a place of tradition, family, and religion. A little respect will go a long way, I promise you. Yeah, second, be careful of those tourist scams. To be safe and less likely to be ripped off, use our trusted transport like Yagat, Bluebird, Grab, or Gojek. An important one, only exchange your money at the authorized money changers. Oh, and if you're renting a scooter, take photos and videos before you leave. It can save you much headaches later. And don't spend all the holiday rushing from one tourist attraction to the next. Some of the best times you'll have in Bali come from slowing down, talking to us locals, go try our small family-owned warungs, and exploring places away from the crowds. Hey, I promise you'll love it. The big thing I suggest is just come with an open heart. You'll see incredible beaches, our beautiful temples, the best friendly people, and a culture unlike anywhere else in the world. I promise. Have a safe flight, enjoy your holiday, and hopefully I'll see you in Bali very soon. Don't forget to follow us for tips and tricks. Sampay jumpa di Bali. See you in Bali.